Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is mid-afternoon, August 24th, and this guy's pumped up. I'm back from vacation and I'm now recording once again on my MacBook Pro that broke down in the Houston airport on my way with Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 last weekend to Destin, Florida for this guy's vacation. I've got another MacBook Pro sitting over there, but there's something wrong with the sound, and I've been doing YouTube videos painstakingly on my Apple, and now I'm back in the saddle. Let's do it. So I've said this a couple years ago. I've been on YouTube for 2 years now. I humbly say that. Been doing videos for 2 years. And in a lot of my videos, I say it's only a matter of time. And this article on CoinDesk, yes, I will put the link in the description box below. It's just a matter of time. I love it. I am so pumped up. Gold's up, silver's up, cryptos, we'll get there. UK central bank chief sees digital currency, you ready? You're sitting down, as displacing the US dollar as global reserve. Now, okay, maybe it's not going to happen tomorrow, next week, next month, or next year, but just by virtue of that being said and put out as a possibility is interesting to me. A central bank supported digital currency could replace the dollar as a global hedge currency, said Bank of England Governor Mark Carney, speaking at the Economic Policy Symposium. Hello, got me there. Symposium in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, yesterday, Friday. Carney discussed the need for a new international monetary system. How about a global new monetary system? Noting that while the US dollar has played a dominant role in the world order very much over the past century, recent developments, you think, such as increased globalization and trade disputes, you ain't seen nothing yet, may have stronger impacts on national economies at the present moment than they would have in the past. I agree on that. Carney highlighted the dollar's use in international securities issuance, its use as a primary settlement currency for international trade, and the fact that companies use dollars as examples of its dominance. However, I love that word. However, it kind of puts a brake on everything that was just said. However, developments in the U.S. economy by affecting the dollar exchange rate can have large spillover effects to the rest of the world. You think? Anyhow, I'm not an economist. I'm an old guy doing videos in my basement for the past 2 years. But I will say, I was just thinking the other day, when I started doing video 2 years ago, and again, I'm still a rookie, okay? I am still a rookie at this. When I started doing videos 2 years ago, but learning about crypto maybe 2.5 years ago, you rarely heard anything on the news or on the internet about cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and in just a short 2.5 years, I mean, it's all over the place. So the idea that somehow blockchain is going to magically go away and cryptocurrencies, yes, some will die in the next year or two. Man, digital currencies are the way to go. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99, I am so thankful I live in a time that I could A, do videos, B, learn more about cryptocurrencies, and blockchain technology on a daily basis. And yeah, have you guys as part of my crypto family. So again, the link below is to this article on CoinDesk. Let me know what you think. And as always, thanks for being part of my crypto family. Love y'all. Bye-bye.